So at the beginning of the plan, the first step is we're going to look for our location. And we chose our location to be A-Lawton specific. Kind of give it, see how it goes. Just because A-Lot is more open, lack of vegetation, and it's fairly easy just to get to in general. So our next step that would be in the plan is we have to close A-Lot. May have to close a lane in Central, and as well on Redondo Road, just to make sure that the construction company has enough room to maneuver all their stuff. So our next step is going to be building the T-frames for the carports. And so for that, we'll probably have to break up a little bit of the asphalt and the concrete that is there. But installing these T-frames should be relatively simple and easy to do. And then our fourth step is after we have all of these T-frames set up for the carports, we're going to start installing the solar panels. And these solar panels have a dual purpose in that they function to provide energy, and they are there to, for the most part, protect the staff and faculty's vehicles from UV radiation and all that stuff. And then after we have them all installed, our fifth and final step would be to repave the parking lot and reline, just to make sure that all the lines from the solar panels go to the transformer, and that the transformer is putting all the energy where it needs to go, so everything works out just the way that we want it to.